What's going on, YouTube? For those of you that haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you at it, go on and hit that like button. It's free. It don't cost you none. I'm telling you, I wouldn't lie to you, man. It's absolutely free to subscribe. And if you're a real one, go ahead and hit that like button as well, man. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate you. For real, for real. Let's go. YouTube. Look, man, welcome to my channel. And if you've already been here, welcome back. Today I got a video, a discussion, a topic I should say, on this Mongols dude. The Mongols president, ex-Mongols president. He's been on numerous platforms, numerous different podcasts within the past year, claiming his innocence, I guess, as a lot of people were saying he was an informant, a rat. He went on numerous different podcasts and said he wasn't a rat. He even had a lawyer go on there saying he wasn't a rat, which, when I seen that, that's what a lawyer's supposed to do. You pay the man to make you look good. No matter what it is or who it's in front of. That's what the lawyer's job is to do, right? So I came across this article that just came out today, and it is written by the New York Times. Yes, the New York Times. And it's titled, Mongols Motorcycle Club Says Its Leader Was an Informant. Now I'm going to read this for you guys. The biker group hopes to set aside a $500,000 racketeering conviction alleging that its former president cooperated with the government during the trial. Let me read this on for you guys. Stay tuned. You guys, again, hit that like button, helps with the algorithms, and hit that subscribe button. Let's read this article and find out what the New York Times found out about this former president of this biker gang. For more than 2 decades, federal law enforcement authorities pursued the Mongols, a notorious motorcycle club whose members had a long history of murder, assault, drug dealing, and robbery. In 2018, the government scored a victory of sorts. Prosecutors convinced a jury in California that these crimes were not just the result of individual bikers behaving badly, but the work of an organized criminal enterprise that had participated in a campaign of mayhem. The club was ordered to pay a $500,000 fine in what prosecutors hoped would be a down payment of putting it out of business. But the group that was once the most powerful biker organization in the West, other than its arch rivals, the Hells Angels, is returning to court next week, hoping to set aside the racketeering and conspiracy convictions based on what it says new evidence about its previous leader, David Santillan. The Mongols are now claiming that throughout their attempt to defend the club in the long-running criminal case, their own leader, the president of the Mongols, was secretly talking with the government. A petition for a new trial and reversal of the $500,000 fine, which is scheduled for an initial hearing on Monday in the U.S. District Court in Santa Ana, California, claims that Mr. Stallone, 52 years old, covertly cooperated for years with a special agent from the Federal Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, aka the ATF. In exchange, the club said in its motion, the agent appears to have spared the former president from serious legal consequences for several offenses dating back to 2011. The unusual legal imbroglio provides a rare glimpse into the hidden and volatile politics of the outlaw motorcycle club and the degree to which the law enforcement and its targets may engage in limited cooperation when it is seen as mutually beneficial. The ATF and other law enforcement agencies have long gone after biker organizations by co-opting members as informants and infiltrating the groups with their own undercover agents. The Mongols are relying on an explosive video shared by Santillan's, however the hell you say his name, his wife, Annie Santillan, whatever the fuck his name is, who during a stretch when she was angry with her husband over his infidelity, had her daughter record a conversation in which he appeared to refer to protection he had received from the ATF agent. She also said in a text message to other Mongols now filed with the court that her husband had acted for a time as a confidential government informant. In other words, she wrote, "He is a rat," in her own words. Both Mr. Santillan, a Mongols member for almost 25 years who was voted out of the club in July, and the agent John Sicon, who retired in December after 32 years in the ATF, deny that Mr. Santillan was acting as an informant during the trial, though Mr. Sicon's sworn declaration does not address whether Mr. Santillan had acted as a confidential informant in the past. Both men also rejected the claim that Mr. Santillan had revealed privileged defense information to the government while his motorcycle club was on trial. The current national leaders of the Mongols said they were convinced that the club's former president, who controlled the Mongols' defense team, had acted improperly. It became clear that Dave had betrayed the Mongols, his oath, and everything we had sacred, the club said in a statement. He betrayed it all. Mr. Santillan has acknowledged that he talked often with Mr. Sicon for a period of years, usually in the presence of another Mongols member. He said they discussed matters such as public safety when the Mongols or the other clubs were planning parties or motorcycle rallies to ensure that members stayed in line and that rival groups kept their distance so no violence would enact. Damn, bro. So this is a pretty crazy trial that they're going through. Another motion, I guess, that they're going through to get a retrial. The whole Mongols club is saying dude's a rat, and it kind of does look like it, because the ATF agent had a sworn statement saying that he wasn't a rat during the Mongols trial, but it didn't say that he wasn't a rat in the past. That's what it says right there. So that's like, you know what I'm saying? Who was he ratting on before? Was he ratting on other Mongols before, just not this trial? Was he a confident informant before, but just not on this one? You know what I'm saying? And is that why he got so much leniency on this case? Because of his past informative, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I don't believe dude. I didn't believe him from the first podcast and shit that I seen of him. That's just my opinion. I don't know. I can be completely wrong. If I'm wrong, then hey, man, my fault. You know what I'm saying? But it's just not looking right. It's not looking right at all. Especially when you got, it's like your whole hood's against you, and like, you know what I'm saying? Practically, it's, you feel me? So I don't know. It doesn't seem right, especially now that the New York Times is reporting on it. The New York Times is calling you a rat, bro. You're pretty much a rat. Like, let's keep it 100, my nigga. Yeah, if the New York Times is calling you a snitch, you's a snitch. You know what I'm saying? You a 6ix9ine, bro. You a Tekashi. You know what I'm saying? It's a Riz app. You know what I'm saying? You're done. Go into hiding. You know what I'm saying? But ain't no one gonna probably fuck with you anyways. Just like no one's gonna fucking do anything to that rapper 6ix9ine because shit, you're a fucking informant. You're a fucking You're property of the government, man. They're gonna protect you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that was that article. That's my thoughts on it. What are your guys' thoughts on it? You guys may have different opinions on it. You guys may believe them. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. I read all the comments. I reply to most of them. So drop a comment and let's talk about this. It's the kid. I'm gone.